What's up everybody, hope you guys having a good day. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to set up live wallpaper on your PC for free. Now there's a couple of things you will need to do. This will work on Windows 10 and Windows 11. This is the Windows 11 and I have this apps right here that where you can I'm going to show you. So this is a couple live wallpaper that we have. There are 10 that have come with this app. This is the one that I download. And as you can see, it looks really cool. It's live wallpaper. And if you guys worry about decrease the performance, I'm going to show you guys performance-wise process. It's about take about like 1 or 2% of the performance out of your CPU. But in return, you get this cool live wallpaper. I'm going to show you guys how to do it, and let's go to the Microsoft store, and then you just type in lively wallpaper and then just download this lively wallpaper. And then once you download, just open it, and then over here you're gonna see these, and all you have to do is you just click on, make this. So all you have to do, just click on, let's say I click on this and you guys can see the change. And then this is one of the coolest ones. And the cool thing is, you guys see it's red. I can click on this 3 dots and then I'm gonna go to customize. And then you can change the color. I'm gonna change the color to blue. Look at that. You can actually customize the live wallpaper in this. But I don't think you can customize the one that I upload. Let me see. Click on this and I'll go customize. I'm gonna add like, oh, you can actually change the brightness, the speed. You change the speed. See, oh, you can see a little bit faster. All right, we're just gonna leave it like that. That pretty much is. Now, if you guys want to get more live wallpapers, let's go to the Google Chrome, and then we're gonna go to live wallpaper for free. Okay, and then you're gonna go here, and then there's gonna be a bunch of these. Let's say I wanted this coastal fantasy. I'm gonna go here and just wait for a little bit, and make sure you guys download the 4K. You know, I always go for the 4K. And if you have 1080p, you can do 1080p. Just wait, don't do anything. Just wait for it to download. Here you go. Have you guys see it on the bottom left and complete. Now, when it complete, you go back to the lively wallpaper, and you go to this click plus side icon, and you click on it, and you're just gonna go open, and then go to download. So right here, Coastal Fantasy, and I'm gonna click on it and we'll open, and then I'm gonna set okay. So now we have this beautiful coastal live wallpaper. Look at that. And that's how easy you set live wallpaper, and it's free. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like this video, and if you do, put a thumbs, and I'll see you guys in the next video.